Alright, I just picked this up at the Confectionary on Main Street, USA in Magic Kingdom, and it appears to be an Orange Bird Mickey cookie. So that is definitely interesting. It smells like an orange creamsicle, like you would get at Orange Julius or something like that. I'm sorry, I'm trying to work with the shadows, but I'm definitely getting the sun creating major shadows on my face. But you don't care about me, you care about this Orange Bird Mickey cookie. And I'm gonna bite into the orange part because this is the part that I think is gonna be kind of orange creamsicle. Absolutely, this is really good. And then the top, the ear part, is a very, very light milk chocolate. This was a good pick for a summer treat because it's a tiny bit refreshing. Even though it's chocolate and a lot of sugar, it's more refreshing than a lot of the other cookies they have that are similar. However, it melts in your mouth and in your hands, so just be prepared for that, which I was not prepared for that. I should have been. I know Florida, but anyway, with all that being said, it's really good and I would recommend it. It's at the Confectionary here on Main Street, USA in Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World.